Honors Bachelor of Digital Experience Design program is for creative problem solvers who want to shape how people interact with technology. In this 4-year degree, you'll learn to design digital products and services that are human-centered, socially conscious, and sustainable. From UX and service design to artificial intelligence and interactive environments, you'll gain a deep understanding of how design, technology, and how human behavior connect. You will also build real-world experience through co-op placements and apply projects working with industry partners to create meaningful digital solutions.
When I joined the Digital Experience Design program, I wanted to understand how technology could improve everyday life. Collaborating with classmates from different backgrounds and working on hands-on projects has helped me see how strategy, creativity, and empathy come together in this field.
Digital experience design is changing how the world connects, learns, and communicates. If you're ready to design what's next, this is where your future begins.